welcome back to JJ Vlog. It's a new day, it's a new life to be hopeful for. This is Gara, ang imong Bisayang amigo. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you the way to Benguet and its beautiful view. So today guys, I'm with Mac.
Hi.
I'm with Sir Roland. And I'm with...
Hi mga kabisayang amigos, this is Kirk.
What can you say about our decision for today?
You know what? The mountain is very beautiful, but gosh.
We're not yet there, but we're almost there. Life is uncertain, that's why there's hope. Okay guys, so right now, we're gonna be going there in 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, so we are now walking towards the Sulfur Lagoon here in ling-an, Amlan, and then before we get in here, we were able to pass by the San Miguel, Tanjay city, Benguet. I'm not sure if it's Benguet, but they actually called it Benguet right there. So yeah, look at the view guys, it's quite so like a jungle thing. And I'm with my friends and they're, yeah, I'm with Max, Roland and Kirk. And yeah, this is such a great adventure for today's vlog. So yeah, look at that. Okay, so going here guys, it's such a very long travel and we're actually just using motorcycle and the road is quite difficult to take in because everything is not in cement. It's actually more of a rocky kind of road. So yeah, it's gonna be so interesting to know that finally we were able to experience the lagoon here in Amlan. Yeah, look at that. But of course, we have to be sure that everything's gonna be safe now. While we're taking the ride going here, we were able to see pineapple, so we actually bought 2 of it. And then we're gonna be eating that right there. So it's gonna be like, it's gonna be so refreshing. guys, so I think we're almost there in the lagoon. So we're just gonna be counting like 10, 2, 1, and it's gonna be showing up. Okay, so are you ready, guys? I think all of you are ready, so let's start with 10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 1 1/4, 2, 1 and 3/4, 1 1/2. Not so slow. It's getting tired. Yeah, because we're finally here. 1 1/4 and
Hey guys, so this lagoon, guys, is situated here in Amlan, Negros Oriental, Philippines. And as what you can see, guys, the water in the lagoon is so distinct, rare, and different. And aside from that, this lagoon is made of sulfur. So yeah, that's what makes this place so interesting. Guys, hello. So to those of you who would like to go here, make sure that your stay is comfortable, memorable, and a fun-filled adventure. But never ever do this. Messed up and make place dirty. Okay? Guys, this is one of the places in Benguet. So as what you can see, it looks so gorgeous.
Woo! Made it! Walay noche! Walay noche! Nawala yung noche! The noche is gone! Bye guys! The water is so cold and it doesn't mess up my alright guys, so that's it for our vlog today. So I hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next vlog.
It's alright. Hush.